Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about setting up a meeting in Microsoft Teams effectively. First, open your Ramis Teams and navigate to Calendar. You can set your calendar view to either week, work week, or day. I prefer using Workweek to display my schedule during weekdays only. You can also select the month or the work week by clicking the left and right arrow button. Click the time under the date or day column. Enter your preferred meeting title. Then, add required attendees. By clicking the optional, you can also add optional attendees. Click the Scheduling Assistant tab at the top to view the attendees' availability. Notice that on Wednesday, July 7, 2021, the two attendees are unavailable from 10 to 10:30 a.m. Click the Details tab and set the recurrence of the meeting if needed. A custom recurrence is also available for use. You can also add a channel from the Teams to link the meeting to that channel. If a meeting room or place is needed, add the location. Lastly, type the details of the meeting. On the upper right-hand side, click Send. This will notify the attendees of the Teams calendar invite. Now, you can schedule a meeting through Teams and avoid meeting conflicts from the attendees' Teams calendar. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.